Hi guys, I'm Ross Charles and today I'm going to answer a question that I get asked a lot: how to change the blades in a Donald Scott carving comb. Two different types of carving comb, one with 30 teeth for thick hair and one with 60 teeth for fine hair, but the top here is identical. You've got the 50% cut side and the 100% cut side, identical on both. So for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to show you on the fine. So we'll lift out the slider, and with the corner of the slider I'm going to push the blades up to the top. I'll take them out with my fingers, and then at this point you want to clean inside here with an old tint brush or a brush. And once it's all clean, then replace fresh blades inside. The left side first, and then you put the right side in, overlapping over the left side. And then with the slider you want to lock these in place. So that's how you change the blades in a Donald Scott carving comb. If you want to know where to buy these from, I'll leave it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.